Well, Sandile, the cold front made landfall a few minutes ago over the southwestern coast of South Africa. Ahead of that cold front, gusting winds today over the western parts of the country, with wind speeds close to 80 kilometers per hour today in parts of the Karoo. The same wind is also resulting in berg wind conditions today along the southern coastline, where it's been an above average warm day with maximum temperatures in the upper 20s and a high of 28 currently in Port Elizabeth. But as mentioned, the front is moving over the southwestern coast currently, spreading showers over the peninsula, Cape Town, and throughout the afternoon as well as into this evening along the west coast, further eastwards over the mountainous areas of the Winelands as well as the Overberg Valley later tonight. And then we're also expecting a few more showers and thunderstorms possible tonight and tomorrow over the far southwestern parts of South Africa. This is mainly due to this deep low pressure system associated with the strong cold front, resulting in this strong onshore flow of showers throughout tonight as well as tomorrow over the southwestern parts of the country. Well, it's no coincidence that it's also the winter solstice today, and this means today marks the shortest day of the year where the sun is directly above the Tropic of Cancer. And as from this weekend, the days will gradually become longer and the nights shorter. Our synoptic analysis is showing the front making landfall over the southwestern parts earlier today. Strong winds are still ahead of that front over western South Africa into the rest of this afternoon as well as the evening, and then spreading rain over the west coast as well as tonight the southwestern parts of South Africa. Behind that cold front on Saturday, that low pressure system also developing a secondary front, resulting in more showers throughout Saturday over the southwestern parts of the country, especially the mountainous areas of the Western Cape. And behind that cold front, much colder conditions reaching parts of the Northern Cape, late the Free State as well as the Eastern Cape, and showers as well as cold and extremely windy conditions spreading over the southern parts of South Africa on Saturday. The South African Weather Service has issued 4 warnings for today. Gale force northwesterly winds, which we have been experiencing throughout the day over parts of the Northern and Western Cape, especially the Karoo. We also still have a warning for heavy rain, which could lead to localized flooding, mainly the low-lying areas of the Western Cape. And then also a warning for high seas of more than 6 meters today between Cape Columbine and Cape Agulhas. And then lastly, we still have that warning for high fire danger. Runaway fires are possible due to the extremely windy conditions over western South Africa. Into this evening, showers expected over the peninsula, spreading eastwards tonight over the mountainous areas of the Western Cape as well as the Overberg, and later the southern parts of the Karoo, and also isolated showers tonight expected along the west coast and surrounding areas. And then with that, also light snowfall expected tonight and tomorrow morning over the mountainous areas of the Western Cape as well as in the vicinity of Sutherland. That low pressure system resulting in the strong winds today over western South Africa, and then that low will start to move along the southern coastline, also resulting in a strong westerly wind spreading along the southern coastline on Saturday, gusting more than 50 kilometers per hour in parts of the Karoo. It's been warm ahead of that front as mentioned, with a high of 28 degrees in Port Elizabeth. And then on Saturday, still cloudy, cold and wet conditions spreading southeastwards. More showers expected in the Western Cape, and an icy cold day in Sutherland with a possibility of snow and only a temperature of 7 degrees. Well, that's all from the Weather Centre for now.